Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to make a Polaroid inside of GIMP. I've got my, my headshot open here for my profile, and what I'm going to do is start to recolor this so that it looks more like a Polaroid. First thing I'm going to do is adjust the levels. So we'll go to Color, Levels, and I'll begin sort of bringing those blacks down a little bit, and also start bringing the whites up to add a little bit more contrast. So we have a lot of control here, so that looks pretty good. We'll say OK. Now I'm going to duplicate the layer, and on the top layer I'm going to select Colors, Colorize, and it makes it look all green, and that's not really what we're going for. What we want to do is grab the hue slider and bring it all the way down into the kind of the orange-brown area, and select a brown that's pretty similar to this. And I'm going to leave the saturation and lightness alone. We'll say OK. The last step is to begin to blend this into the base image underneath. So with the top layer selected, we'll begin dragging the opacity down a little bit. So we don't want it to go so far down that we can see all of the colors as true colors, but we don't want it so high that we can't see any colors. So we'll start to pick something kind of in the middle. And that looks pretty good. You start to see some color coming through, but it's still got that washed over look of a Polaroid with the sharper highlights and the darker blacks. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to create a Polaroid look inside of GIMP. I'm Josiah Ray.